You cannot afford to make this mistake as a homeowner. In the year 2022, literally not even a year ago, home values continue to rise month over month, 0.25%, 0.49%, all the way up close to a whole percentage. The price and value of your home continued to rise, but you did nothing about it because you just didn't know that you could be saving hundreds of dollars a month and possibly thousands of dollars a year. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Mike the Credit Guy, the biggest. If this is your first time to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. That way you find out every time we drop new content, you're gonna hear about it first. We talk about everything credit here. So if you haven't already, hit that like button, that little like button. That way this video goes out to way more people, okay? In case you didn't know, I am the owner and founder of Limitless Culture. We created the most advanced DIY program in the industry. At $55.99 a month, our system will create custom Metro 2 attack letters, attacking any negative items on your credit reports and all your personal information that's not accurate. Imagine that. Our system will create your letters, email them to you, you print them, you mail them out, certified mail, and you're done. It's just that simple. You don't have to join any Facebook groups, you know, those archaic things. You don't have to read any modules. You don't have to do any master courses. We cut all that nonsense out. Our system will create those custom letters, email them to you, you print them, you mail them out certified mail, and you're done. The link is always going to be in the description for our DIY program, the most advanced in the industry. We're gonna cover two types of loans, okay? Because this is very important for you to understand how this works. Two types of loans have two types of insurance premiums, okay? So the first one is going to be your mortgage insurance premium for an FHA loan. If you made a loan, okay, with an FHA program and you only put 10% down for your home, then your premium for your insurance is going to last all the way up to possibly 11 years. It may be 10 or maybe 11. You need to look at your contract. Now, the only way to get out of this insurance is if you refinance. So when mortgage rates get to a better point and you feel comfortable, you can refinance out of that FHA into a conventional loan, saving yourself thousands of dollars. Now, of course, it only makes sense if, of course, the interest rates are lower than what your current interest rate is right now, or you just got so much equity, you want to pull the equity out and use it for some type of remodel or something in your home. That is the first program that you need to pay attention to, but the second one's even better. And because home values continue to rise, depending on your area, because everyone's area is different, but in 2022, we saw consistent rise in home values. So this is why it may make sense for you to refinance and get out of that specific situation, because you may save thousands of dollars. You got to crunch the numbers. I can't crunch the numbers for you because I don't have your loan in front of me, but you have to make sure that it makes sense for your situation. So unfortunately, if you're someone that did an FHA and you did less than 10%, this does not apply to you, because we're going to cover two different types of insurance premiums like we talked about. The first one is mortgage insurance premium, also known as MIP. But the next one that is very important is for people that did conventional mortgage loans and have what's called a private mortgage insurance, okay? PMI, private mortgage insurance. If you bought a home before 2021, this is very important that you listen to this, because it is going to save you hundreds and possibly thousands of dollars on your mortgage. Now, don't get all negative Nancy on me, okay? Because if you purchase your home before June 3rd, 2013, now you can potentially get rid of your mortgage insurance premium after 5 years, but you need to have 22% equity in your home, and you had to have made all of your payments on time. Those are the requirements. So there is hope for people that have an FHA, but it had to be before 2013, okay? All right, so here's the good news. If you did a conventional loan and you put down less than 10% when you purchased your home, you had to purchase what's called PMI, private mortgage insurance. Now, everyone thinks that this private mortgage insurance should last forever. It is like a surcharge that a lot of people have to pay, but they don't realize that once you have 20% equity, 22% equity in your home, you can get rid of this PMI insurance. Now, there's something called the PMI Cancellations Act, okay? If your value in your home, the loan to value of your home drops to 78%. In other words, when your mortgage balance reaches 78% of your purchase price of your home, they have to automatically terminate the PMI. But guess what? I don't know how many times I've seen that they don't even do it. Because guess what? They're gonna make more money off of you when you're not canceling it, because the insurance company makes more money off of you. And I'm willing to bet money that they have some type of deal worked out with the mortgage lender. Now here's the sauce, okay? If your mortgage reaches 80%, you have the right to call and cancel the PMI with your mortgage lender. They're not gonna tell you that. They're not gonna pick up the phone like, hey man, we're gonna save you thousands of dollars. No, they don't wanna do that. So all you have to do is pick up the phone and call and cancel it on your own. But here's the kicker, okay? Because the value of homes has risen nonstop for the last 2 years, you're more than likely even there before you have reached 80% in your mortgage value that you owe on your mortgage. Because if the value of your home rises, guess what? Now you have more equity in your home. So you've been sitting on this equity thinking, should we refinance, do that remodel? And this entire time you could have been saving hundreds and thousands of dollars over this time, but you didn't know, because of course nobody tells us all this important information that's going to save us thousands of dollars. This isn't super difficult. Pick up your phone, call your loan provider, your mortgage provider, and say, hey, I'm calling because I want to remove my PMI. They say, oh, okay. Well, I see you've had your loan for 2 years, 5 years, 7 years. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's see if you qualify. Man, if you've been paying on your house for more than 2 years, 5 years, 7 years, you should not be paying PMI anymore. But of course, they're not going to tell you that. They're going to keep re-upping that PMI as many times as they possibly can, because I'm willing to bet money they're making money off the back end of that somewhere in that contract that nobody reads all of that, okay? But again, just tell them, I would like to remove the PMI off of my mortgage. Now they're gonna say, okay, well, yeah, it appears that you do qualify. What we're gonna do is, in order to cancel this, it's gonna cost $190 or $250. We're gonna send out an appraiser to appraise the property. And once they come back with that, then we'll definitely be able to remove that PMI. It is literally just that simple. If you don't qualify, it doesn't cost you anything, but you can get a private appraisal done on your own and then present it to the mortgage lender like, yo, you said I didn't qualify. What's up with this? I own more than 20% equity in my home. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope I was able to help you save thousands of dollars and learn a little bit more about mortgage lending, because these are the things that your mortgage lender, your realtor, nobody tells you about. How is it even possible? I don't know. Okay, I'm not in that business. But if I was in this business, I would be giving the sauce to everyone so they can be prepared to save money. So I hope we were able to help you. Hope you enjoyed the video. If there's something specific you want me to talk about with mortgages or home loans or being a homeowner, because again, it's just not that easy being a homeowner like people think it is, okay? Drop it in the comment section. Let me know what you want to hear about, because I cannot do it without you. It's all about you, our subscribers. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And do not forget, watch the next 2 videos because they are recommended by YouTube. And do not forget, subscribe to increase your credit score.